She was Patricia and I were together, and she worked there for years. That's how we haven't been close. Exactly.
Yeah, I really don't know when.
I think they would. I'm not sure. Are they? How about she's about 25 hours.
I'm sleeping with that. It seems like him and his sister.
I'm Chief Brad Pinsky, and I'm the instructor for Must-Have Policies and Operational Practices. In addition to being the chief of a combination fire department, I'm also an attorney in New York who represents more than 500 fire departments and emergency service entities. I'm here to tell you why you should take my 4-hour course on must-have policies and best practices. I've taught this course for more than 7 years, and every single year, people are begging for another 4 hours. This course will leave you with the knowledge on how to draft policies and procedures and what policies and procedures you're going to need. The first 2 hours will be spent reviewing the must-have administrative policies that your department needs to keep you out of legal trouble. I can tell you after 20 years in the courtroom representing fire departments, the reason fire departments lose lawsuits is because of lack of policies and lack of best practices. They lose under lawsuits that say the fire department failed to supervise and failed to train and failed to prepare the people to operate efficiently and properly on the fire ground. In the second half of this lecture, we're going to add something new. Imagine you're a football team with absolutely no playbook. Everybody runs out on the field and has no idea what anybody else is going to do. The fire ground is the same way if you do not have operational best practices. I'm going to give you the list of, the samples of, and tell you how to write the operational best practices that you need to make sure that your fire service operates like a well-oiled machine on the fire ground. Don't leave it to chance. Attend my lecture. You'll keep yourself out of administrative trouble, and you'll make sure that you have the best fire department giving the best protection on the fire ground. I look forward to seeing you there.
Patricia and I were together, and she worked there for years. That's how